In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix the connection issues in the Zoom Workspace app. First, try reinstalling the application. Delete the Zoom Workspace app from your device, then go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Zoom Workspace and reinstall it. This often resolves most connection problems. Next, try switching your internet connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection instead. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your network. Finally, if the problem still persists, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Turn your device off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Restarting can refresh your system and fix minor connectivity issues. That's it. These steps should help resolve any connection problems you're facing with the Zoom Workspace app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.